What is going on, everyone? Welcome in this tutorial on how to download DCS Steam Edition for free on your PC. As you can see, I am at my Google browser, and to download and play this game for free, you have to follow each step accurately. So make sure you follow this video, and now we will start with the first step. We will take in DCS Steam Edition. And after that, you will see there is this game. So there are different options to do. You can download the game or buy it, but it's completely free to play with Steam. So we will click on the Steam link, and after that you'll arrive at this page. Now you can check out this trailer and maybe also the other trailer, and after that check out the screenshots about this game. It's a really cool game. You can fly planes, drive tanks and all kinds of things. And after that, you can read some information. As you can see, there are a lot of positive reviews about this game, so it's maybe worth it to play it. What we also need to do is scroll all the way down and then check out the system requirements, because you need to meet these requirements to start installing and playing this game on your PC or laptop. Make sure you check this out, and after that you can scroll all the way back up, and there you can see to play this game for free. Just click it. It's also VR supported, so if you have a VR glasses or screen, then you can use this option in this game. Now click on play game, and they will ask you if you have already installed the Steam desktop application. If you haven't installed it yet, click on no, I need Steam. If you already have installed Steam on your computer or PC or laptop, then click on yes, Steam is installed. So after clicking on this button, it will start downloading the game and you can play it completely free. Hopefully this video was very helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next gaming tutorial. See you guys, bye bye!